Alright, so guys, I don't know what has been going on this week, but I feel like God is spoiling me, or I'm just getting lucky because my girl got tickets to the Blazer game. So I'm headed to the game now. Of course, I'm late, but this is the second ticket that I've gotten for free. Like, this has been a adventurous week because we literally just went to the Candlelight concert for free too. We got tickets for that. So we're going to the Blazer game. It's 7 o'clock. The game has started, but honestly, it don't even get that interesting until like the third quarter, to be honest. But they're playing the Toronto Raptors. Honestly, Blazers have been trash. I'm just there to see the Raptors. I hate to say it, but yeah. So this is, you know, something spontaneous. I was like, might as well vlog it. But I'm literally in a rush because it's 7, so we'll see. I'm excited to see where we're sitting too. Like, I'm not picky. Yeah, I'm not picky where I sit, but crossing fingers it's close. It's 7:30. I'll probably miss the first quarter, but this view is so cute. So let me show y'all. This is where our stadium is. Wait, I need to zoom in. That is the Motor Center. And then we got downtown over there. But all right, let's go. We gotta walk down all these steps. Bro, the fact that there's still hella people inside in line, like everybody coming in late.
That's what I know. People coming so I think people are sleeping.
camera. Oh my god. Alright, I got 0.7.